Samsung has collapsed minus 10.18% to $295,500, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Monday, June 8th, and this is your complete global market briefing. It is a cautious session across financial markets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Broadcom Q2 earnings miss drags NASDAQ futures lower, QZ.com. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 dropped sharply minus 2.64% to $7,383.74. Equity markets are responding to reports that Asian markets plunge after record RE rally and renewed Iran attacks. NASDAQ 100 made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 4.77% to $28,958. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Broadcom earnings miss sinks NASDAQ, RE chips slide, go trade. Dow Jones dipped minus 1.35% to $50,867. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Broadcom Q2 earnings miss drags NASDAQ futures lower, QZ.com. DAX dipped minus 0.58% to $24,616. Traders are reacting to news that Asian markets plunge after record RE rally and renewed Iran attacks. FTSE 100 is broadly flat at $10,351, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung plunged minus 10.18% to $295,500 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. TSMC made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 6.69% to $415.17. Equity markets are responding to reports that TSMC's $165 billion Arizona Gigafab, Reshaping Us Chips, 2026, tech-insider.org. ASML plunged minus 6.58% to $1,641.74 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that SK Hynix places record $8 billion order for ASML UV lithography machines should pay for up to 30 UV machines over 2 years, serving HBM and advanced DRAM production, Tom's Hardware. Nvidia made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 6.20% to $205.10. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Chip Stocks 2026, identifying the semiconductor winners versus RE hype barons. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that Asian markets plunge after record RE rally and renewed Iran attacks. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Broadcom Q2 earnings miss drags NASDAQ futures lower, QZ.com. Turning to commodities. Brent crude surged to $96.95 per barrel, up 4.15% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that are OPEC's days of dominance over. Why the cartel is cracking the daily economy. WTI crude surged to $94.60 per barrel, up 4.48% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that are OPEC's days of dominance over. Why the cartel is cracking the daily economy. Natural gas plunged to $3.11, down 3.56% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that Asian markets plunge after record RE rally and renewed Iran attacks. Gold slipped to $4,325 per troy ounce, down 0.28% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by gold slips as rising oil prices and inflation concerns temper safe haven demand, Yahoo Finance. Let us give you our near-term view on Samsung. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for Samsung is around $277,770. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view. Always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.15, losing 0.84% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.33, losing 0.74% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 159.99, gaining 0% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to gold. Silver ETFs tumble up to 6% as US Fed rate hike fears. Stronger dollar trigger sell-off in precious metals. Trading view. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our daily market briefings. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.